I basically walked clear across the lake from where I live because I was hoping I'd be able to do a little fishing, but I think it's too shallow. I'm gonna give a couple casts anyway, and if not, I'll walk back. Oh yeah, it's 20, I think the car said it was 22, 23, something like that. Well, I'm back where I live. I don't know how well it's gonna work though. I think it's too shallow over here too, honestly, but we shall see. Nice. Nice, and that's what I get for wearing gloves, because I can't feel my fingers. Oh yeah, I forgot. The reason I walked around the lake this morning is because there's ice where I live. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh. It'll warm up one of these days. Like, honestly. I think it's been so long since I caught my last fish that I forgot what it even feels like to get bit. All the way down to my backing. Actually, way past my backing's about 3 feet up my rod right now. Nice. Let's try a backlash. You know, one of these days I'm going to be able to fish and feel my fingers. And then maybe I won't do this so much. Big maybe. Real big maybe, but maybe. Oh, okay. I skipped it. Wasn't trying to skip it, but I skipped it. God, my hands. Okay, anyway. Oh, God, I have to go to work. I know. Go to work, I know. Yes! There we go. Don't fight it, big girl. There we go. Oh, maybe you're not a big girl, but you know what? Oh, bass is a bass. Come here, mama. Hey, don't do that. There we go. Oh, thank you so much. Okay. Here you go. Oh, she went right under the dock. I don't think there's any more bass over here, but, and I know I need to go to work because I have to be in at 9:45. It's a 20-minute drive and it's 9:20. One more. That big girl really swam right under the dock. All right. That's it for today.